are students from Amstead University, and today we are going to show you how to disassemble and assemble a computer system unit. Steps to deassembling a system unit. Make sure the system unit is turned off. Unplug or remove all cables connected to the system unit. Hold a metal object for 5 minutes. Remove the screws from the back of the system unit. Remove the ODD or CD-ROM. Disconnect or remove all the cables connected to all components inside the system unit. Remove the ADD. Unmount and unplug all the parts along the motherboard. Untighten the screws mounted to the case. Remove the motherboard. Remove the power supply unit. And these are the steps to assembling a system unit. Mount all the parts along the motherboard, including RAM, CPU, heatsink, video card. Install the PSU, that's the power supply unit. Install the motherboard. Tighten the screws mounted to the case. Carefully install the hard disk drive. Tighten the screws mounted to the case. Install the CD-ROM. Connect all the cables connected to components in the system unit. Put in the side cover back and lighten the screws and connect all the cables to the system unit. Test the system unit if it is working well.
Use the hard disk drive. It is used to save or store data permanently.
CPU, it is responsible for executing instructions and processing data.
Random access memory stores data temporarily and also provides fastest access for data retrieval by the computer.
Heat, sink, and fan. It is used to regularize the temperature of the system unit.
The motherboard serves as the central hub and connecting point for all internal computer components, facilitating communication and data flow between them.
Case. It houses the internal component of a computer.
Supply. You take the AC power over here, then it discharges the power to the various internal parts of the motherboard.
This is CD-ROM. It helps you to access data and information put on CDs.
On case. It's used to beautify the system unit, and it also provides the space for the or port for the USB and the cord that is used for the unit.